स्टार्टिंग से।
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
अक्षित मलिक।
बताओ कैसा था पेपर?
मैंने एफकैट 2 2020 दिया था।
हाँ।
उसके कंपैरेटिवली बहुत ज़्यादा इजी था। आधे घंटे पहले पेपर हो गया था। जो मैंने 2 2020 दिया था ना, उसके अंदर मैथमेटिक्स के क्वेश्चन टिपिकल थे।
अच्छा।
जो रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन वाले होते हैं उसमें काफी प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत थी। इसमें तो बिल्कुल इजी क्वेश्चन थे मैथमेटिक्स के। और जो रीजनिंग के थे वो भी देखते ही हो रहे थे। और जैसे जो बच्चे जीएस नहीं पढ़ते ना, वो 2-3 क्वेश्चन ही कर पाते हैं, पर इसमें भी मैंने 10 कर दिए थे आराम से। और इंग्लिश तो इजी होती है। बाकी वैसे मैं यूजुअली एक बार और मैं क्लियर कर चुका हूँ।
अच्छा।
तब मैंने 70 करे थे और इस बार मैंने 80 कर दिए। इस बार तो हो ही जाएगा आराम से।
थोड़ा सेक्शन वाइज डिफिकल्टी लेवल बता दो।
देखो, इंग्लिश तो इजी होती है। 2-3 क्वेश्चन होते हैं इंग्लिश में वोकैबुलरी के जो टफ होते हैं। इस बार भी थे, वो तो छोड़ ही दिए मैंने। उनमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है। बाकी मैथ्स इजी था, रीजनिंग इजी थी और जीएस इजी थी कंपैरेटिवली पिछली बार।
How was the paper?
Paper was easy.
So,
The
हाँ.
reasoning part was verbal and non-verbal, so it's pretty much easy. The GK, static GK part was a bit, it came from ancient or medieval history. So mostly it was medium level paper for the static GK part, and about the English part, English was okay, and math was a bit difficult.
Okay. So, from where, which topic questions were asked in maths?
Mostly percentage and percentage speed, time speed distance, and ratio was 2 questions only, so not much.
Okay.
There was in total 18 questions of math, so and the majority was 32 of reasoning, and others 2 are 25 each.
Okay. Okay. So was this your first attempt?
Yeah, for FCAT it was my first attempt.
So, in reasoning, from where questions were asked?
Verbal and non-verbal.
Okay. And in English?
In English, mostly synonyms, antonyms, or reading comprehension, and error finding. Those are the basic questions only.
Okay.
My name is Napender.
Okay. How was the paper?
Paper is easy as compared to last time.
Okay. So, kindly help us with the section-wise analysis.
In maths, all questions are easy. In reasoning, 2 to 3 word meaning questions, I think they are moderate level.
Okay.
English was easy.
Okay.
GK is fine.
Okay. So, from where questions were asked in quant?
Quant, some questions are from time and work. Average questions are there. Mainly it revolves around time and work and average.
And reasoning?
In reasoning, they are asking word meaning and some series
Okay.
questions.
Were there any question from coding, decoding?
Yeah, 1 or 2 questions are there.
Okay. Okay. And in English?
English, same 2 to 3 synonyms and antonyms are there. 2 idioms are there. 1 paragraph. That is it.
Okay. Okay. Was this your first attempt?
No, it is my third or fourth.
So,
attempt.
how did you prepare for the exam?
Actually, I am preparing for SSC CCL.
Okay.
So in that preparation, these exams are covered.
Okay. Fine. Cool. Thank you. बता दो प्लीज। हाँ, कैसा था पेपर?
वेरी इजी।
Okay. Section-wise बता दो प्लीज।
Section wise, there is 2 to 3 questions are difficult in maths.
Okay.
Other all sections are easy.
Okay. So, from where questions were asked in maths?
In maths, there is questions from time and speed, average, and time and work, distance and speed.
And in reasoning?
And in reasoning, there are coding, decoding, that's alphabetic numbering, and that's figure जो regular pattern होता है वो same.
और English में?
English is easy, वही synonyms, antonyms, nothing else.
और military aptitude?
Military aptitude is also easy.
Okay.
This time
कहाँ से questions आए थे वहाँ?
उसमें जो previous section है ना वही repeat हो रहा है, कुछ new नहीं आया, कोई इतना difficult भी नहीं था कि इसमें time लगता हो, कुछ नहीं था।
और जनरल अवेयरनेस में कितने पुराने इवेंट से क्वेश्चंस आए थे?
जनरल अवेयरनेस में एक क्वेश्चन था कोप का कि कहाँ किसने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, मतलब इतना करंट भी था और थोड़ा वो नहीं होते स्टैटिक जीके भी नहीं होते।
Hi, I'm Rudraj and I have just given my AFCAT exam.
Okay.
So my experience so far has been the paper was moderate. It was not that difficult as well. The math section was easy as compared to previous papers. Overall, it was a good experience. Thanks.
Okay, so kindly help us with the section-wise analysis, please. How was the reasoning section?
Reasoning was moderate. Quants was also moderate. Verbal was easy.
Okay,
Verbal.
and military aptitude and numerical ability?
That was also a bit on the easier side.
So, question in current affairs, from where questions were asked in current affairs, what were the topics?
Topics, sports, basically from sports, and there were questions from sports, there were awardees, then there were a few from the parliament as well.
Okay.
That's all I remember.
Okay.